what it's supposed to have gave. Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
what's up, cousin? What's up?
So today, cousins, we are doing a full get ready with me. I'm going to take some IG pictures today, so I want to show you guys my hair, makeup, and outfit for the day. That's why I'm looking crazy in this intro. But if you want to see how I get ready and style myself today, just keep on watching. I already did my eyebrows off camera. I'm not really going to be explaining how I'm doing my makeup today. I'm just gonna let y'all vibe out to some music and watch me do it, because I am doing a updated, detailed, flawless makeup routine for you guys. However, I will list all the products that I use down in the description box below.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you, let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain, you know me. I'm big music, never boy. I know the club, close at 3. What's the chances of you rolling with me? Back to the crib, show you how I live. Let's get drunk, forget what we did. I'll buy you a drink. I'ma take it home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great color. We in the bed like ooh, 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 ooh. We in the bed like ooh, 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 ooh. on, you should get like me. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like won't you meet me at the bar? Respect big pimpin'. Tell me how you feel, mama. Tell me what you see. A certified dime piece deserve Louis 1-3. 150 a shot, 3 for you and 3 for me. I'm checking your body language. I love the conversation. And when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation. Now we're both by tipsy. You say you in the mood. All I need is about an hour. Better yet, maybe two. Let me take you where I live. Ferrari switch gears. When I whisper in your ear, your legs hit the chandelier. Passion through the sex all in the atmosphere. I'ma let T-Pain sing so he can make it clear. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like let's get going, walk it out. What would I make about it? Oh, snap now, rock. You can do it all by yourself. Let's get going, walk it out. What would I make about it? Oh, snap now, rock. You can do it all by yourself. I'm by your train. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like rich boy sitting quick, broke niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy sitting quick, broke niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy sitting quick, broke niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Took it to the top, got the damn top drop. 2-color flip flop in the red line. Silence in the parking lot. But still got my Glock cocked. New money, motherfucker. Don't you see the big knot? Don't you see the big tie? Don't you?
I'm about to do my hair. It was straight, but I used the wrong product, had water in it, and it reverted. But we will do the best that we can. It's half up, half down. I curled my hair with this flat iron, and then I used my Got To Be afterwards and used these flexi rods.
Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy sitting quick, broke niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. I never slip, I never fall. A lot of hoes give me their numbers, but I never call. A real OG, look at VIP and see a nigga ball. Then after we hit the club, baby, I'ma hit the draw. Yeah, I'ma break you off. That's all. Every freak should have a picture of my dick on they walls. Polo with the shits on hold, be the clip, yeah, just for my dog. Yeah, gangsters, hustlers, wanksters, busters. Rich boy, silly quick, broke niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's.
Here we go. Take this wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to comb out some of this curl. Alright, so this is what the hair is giving today. Alright, so for my outfit today, I have on this little black lounge type dress that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I have on my Nike Mid Blazer 77s, just the classic black white and gray ones. Accessories, I have the cow print purse. I took the little long strap out. And I have on these Gucci inspired earrings and this little Amore necklace that I got from Forever 21 like a long time ago. Like I said, I'm going to go take some pictures downtown for Instagram. Just felt like showing you guys me getting ready or whatever. So alright cousins, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey auntie.
So cousin, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
And goodbye. Period. I mean it.
Can y'all really feel us? East Coast feel us. West Coast feel me. Say what? Dirty South. Here we go. Can y'all really